Prepare for a substantial financial transformation. By the conclusion of 2024, XRP may possess a value ranging from $1,650 to $2,900. It transcends mere exaggerated rhetoric. This is predicated on a substantial advancement. An exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP is set to be launched imminently. Examine the financial giant BlackRock, which has initiated the exceptionally successful Bitcoin ETF is now concentrating on XRP. BlackRock has obtained approval for nearly all of its ETF proposals. Transitioning to XRP will significantly alter their circumstances. Wait, there is additional information. BlackRock is not the sole entity generating controversy. Grayscale has entered the market. They have incorporated XRP into their cryptocurrency portfolio and proposed an XRP ETF. An illustration of Ripple Labs' growing impact on international transactions is the Hello Moneyside family. We are pleased to see you once more. Prior to delving into today's primary subject, let us briefly reconvene. Could you please assist me with a request? Select the like and subscribe buttons to join our community. As the significant XRP giveaway nears, we are preparing for the 60,000 subscribers. To participate in this giveaway, adhere to the following 3 straightforward steps. Ensure you are vigilant and prepared. To qualify for the prize draw, ensure that you incorporate the hashtag #Moneyside in your remarks. Let us examine the current developments in the realm of XRP. Subsequent analysis indicates that BlackRock possesses a nearly impeccable reputation for ETF approvals. BlackRock, the preeminent global asset management firm, has experienced a substantial transformation with its entry into cryptocurrencies. They possess an almost flawless approval rate for ETFs, demonstrating their expertise in the market. The ETF approval rating for BlackRock is 99.8%. Consequently, they have a formidable influence in the ETF market. The key is to comprehend the broader context. Rock and Black, alongside monitoring XRP, JP Morgan, and other prominent financial institutions, have been diligently acquiring the cryptocurrency. Reports in a leaked document suggest that major financial giants allocated more than 7.5% of their wealth to XRP. Recent meticulously researched articles revealed that BlackRock was focusing on XRP rather than Bitcoin. This would signify a substantial alteration in investment strategy. The activity signifies a surge in interest in XRP. This enhances the probability of the establishment of a BlackRock-backed XRP exchange-traded fund ETF. This aspect is considerably more intriguing. The narrative of XRP has undergone a significant shift. The existence of an ETP utilizing XRP, this exchange-traded products, despite the creator's anonymity, it represents a significant phase in the establishment of an ETF. XRP is apparently still in the pre-release phase and now holds no value, but it will soon be prepared for launch. Additional content remains. Rumors suggest that an XRP ETF will be launched simultaneously with the ETP, coinciding with the ETP's introduction. The exchange-traded fund, it not only is logical, but it also illustrates the rapid development of the ETF. This may transpire several weeks following the Bitcoin ETF's introduction. This is a remarkable opportunity, as Bitcoin attained a value of $43,000 before the launch of its ETF. We are contemplating the potential for XRP's value to surge to $2,500 or $1,650 following the ETF debut. This is not as irrational as you would think. An XRP ETF will be accessible within a few weeks, facilitated by the existing operational XRP ETP. The exchanged XRP was issued by the financial powerhouse Fidelity. This suggests that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is expected to approve an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF imminently. We conversed yesterday concerning a recent piece derived from a BlackRock leak. It suggested that an XRP ETF could be forthcoming. The leak indicates that XRP will shortly qualify for an ETF application. To heighten the anticipation, a distinguished analyst from BlackRock issued a public declaration. By referencing the issuer's XRP trust in an ETF submission, BlackRock affirmed the initiation of an ETF for XRP. Initially skeptical, I personally verified it, and indeed it is present on the Delaware. This is a notable advancement that may mirror or surpass the momentum saw with the Bitcoin ETF. A recent study underscores a notable progression in the cryptosphere. BlackRock has acquired more than 7.5 million XRP. This demonstrates that institutions are engaged in cryptocurrency. In addition to accumulating XRP, BlackRock has been a leader in the sector by employing it in their business operations, and most notably by promoting the launch of an XRP-based ETF. BlackRock possesses an almost flawless track record of ETF approvals. This enhances the probability of the XRP ETF's approval. It is impossible to amplify the potential impact of an ETF centered on XRP on its valuation. Consequently, establishing a price goal of $983 per XRP appears ambitious yet justifiable considering the significant developments that remain forthcoming. Consider the substantial amounts at stake. XRP will significantly influence international debt dealings. The XRP ledger may function as a conduit for $180. Around 1.3 trillion, primarily attributable to ISDA. The Republic of Palau is developing its digital currency utilizing the XRP ledger, while the BRICS nations, including Saudi, are integrating the XRP ledger into their own systems. The issue exemplifies a high supply and demand dynamic. This leads to a substantial value for each XRP. This has been recently addressed. Additional entities, I perceive my enthusiasm for as nothing more than an illusion. They may be accurate. Here is my perspective. I inhaled deeply, accept this, consolidated into a substantial form and ignite it. This is a potent substance. I value hope as it serves as a vital support throughout times of struggle and perseverance. It is okay to reject the concept of hope and to regard it as just wishful thinking. Taking into account, I do not perceive this as an issue. We should motivate each other. Our objective is to avoid becoming a mere assemblage of tokens cast into the abyss. We aspire to maintain optimism. I value your stimulating debates and contrasting perspectives around optimism. This genuinely stimulates the intellect. A captivating discussion ensued between XRP and institutions. They are not obligated to purchase XRP. An alternative is to lease. That is a thought-provoking inquiry. Is it not? An intriguing concept emerged in my mind. What would occur? Ordinary investors exclusively acquire. ChatBT advised me that the remarkable response indicated the daily volume above $7 trillion. This is applicable solely to the global commerce. Tokenized real estate or smart contract NFTs are excluded. Examine XRP's role specifically within the domain of global trade. SWIFT operates in this location. The system must